This is my dream enduro bike. Well, it's a free ride bike. Anyways, what's up everybody? I got a new bike. So, as you saw in my little intro, this is essentially my dream enduro bike. Even though it's actually a free ride bike. But anyways, today I will be doing an unboxing of the Propain Spindrift 5 AL. I don't know if anybody else's bikes are gonna come like this, but mine came in 2 boxes. This one's a lot lighter and a lot smaller. But anyways, this is probably like the wheels or something. So I got this white box here. I'm gonna see what this is. It's nothing. Okay. It's probably just packaging. Okay. Let's see here. Ooh, I see a bike frame. This is fun. Okay, got another box here. It sounds completely empty. We'll check for sure. Empty. Got another box. Empty. Okay. So far, we got 3 empty cardboard boxes. Oh, there's another box. Is this one empty? It doesn't feel empty. Okay, we got a cardboard box that actually has some stuff in it. Like this. I'll open that in a minute. Now, ooh, it's looking good. Okay. Okay, let's get this bubble wrap out of here. Let's see this. More cardboard. Okay. It's covered in foam. Let me get this dropper post out so I can put it on the rack. Hey, where's the dropper post lever? Okay, so I got all the packaging off. I unboxed the wheels as you saw in that time lapse. Pretty nice. The tires came not inflated, they were flat, but I just pumped them up. Pretty nice. And now I'm gonna open this little box that I'm guessing has the saddle in it, and maybe even tools. Here is the final product. I think it turned out pretty good. I like the matching parts with the orange petals, orange coil and stuff. And I rode around some, I set up the suspension and it feels great. Obviously I haven't taken it to a bike park yet, but I'm going to. And just stay tuned for any videos with this in it, and go ahead and subscribe so you can see them.